So here is an example, an order of operations example that has every operation, right? So what's our first thing we're thinking? We're thinking parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, right? Remember, multiplication, division, left to right, addition is subtraction, left to right. So what do we have? We look, we say, do we have any parentheses? Parentheses first. Do we have parentheses? Yes, we do have parentheses, right? Here are parentheses. So let's evaluate that. We're going to rewrite the whole expression. So 7 minus 6 is 1. And let's fill everything else in. 6 squared minus 6 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 2 times 3. Okay? So now, do we have any more parentheses? No. So we move on. Exponents. Do we have any exponents? Yes, we do, right? We got 6 squared. So let's evaluate that, and then we'll rewrite the rest. 6 squared is 36, right? So 36 minus 6 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 2 times 3. Okay? So now, do we have any more exponents? No. So now what we're doing, right, is we're looking for multiplication or division, right? But we're going left to right. Okay? So we're going to look left to right, multiplication for multiplication or division, right? So let's look. Let's start here. 36 minus 6. It's not multiplication or division. I'm going to scroll up just a little. And we've got 6 divided by 2. That is multiplication or division. That's division, right? So we're going to rewrite 36 because we didn't need it. And then minus 6 divided by 2. Right? It's 3. Plus 1. It's not a multiplication or division. And then plus, and here we've got 2 times 3. That's multiplication. So let's evaluate that. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? So we evaluate our multiplication and division left to right. And the last thing we have to do is evaluate our addition and subtraction left to right. Okay? So scroll up again. And we'll look and say, what do we have? We've got 36 minus 3. Okay, that gives us 33, right? Plus 1 plus 6. So 33 plus 1, 34 plus 6. And then 34 plus 6 is 40, right? So our final answer for this problem is 40. And we solved that by looking step by step, right, and evaluating each step according to the order of operations.